Hi guys, welcome to Passport Model TV. I am Sparkle, also known as Gorgeous Sparkle, your host and king of all the passport models. Do me a favor, like this video, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well guys, first off, I want to tell you thank you so much for supporting my channel. I mean, whenever I tell you guys to drop me comments, you guys support me. You reach out to me on different social media platforms, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you guys for inboxing me. Thank you guys for reposting, the things that I share, and thank you for just, being honest and transparent with me about the things that you enjoy. Here on Passport Model TV, where we discuss everything pertaining to lifestyle, travel, and beauty. So guys, we have been in a deep discussion on the inside of my inbox. I mean, you guys want to know what is my secret or the things that I do when it comes to protective styles during my adventures or my journeys. So you guys know that I'm a licensed hairstylist. I've been a licensed hairstylist for 10 years. Not only am I a licensed hairstylist, my area of expertise is healthy hair. And so I always advise women on what to do to protect their natural hair under all of those extensions, all of those, different colors. Anything that you can do to your hair, I always give great advice on how to prepare you. So this episode is all about what to do to prepare yourself for your hair care journey while you're on vacation, while you're traveling in and out of the country, and just how to keep it all together underneath everything that goes on. So this is my routine. For my normal hair, what I would do is I'll wash my hair. Because my hair is not oily like it used to be. I used to wash my hair like maybe, I want to say once a week, but now because of the styles that I wear, what I do is I wash my hair every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on what's going on and how often I want to change my style. So what I'll do is I'll wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo. And what a clarifying shampoo does, it removes all of the excess buildup. And what happens is a lot of times we work out, we sweat, we put makeup, all types of stuff. We do all types of things to our hair and our scalp. So what happens is the clarifying shampoo, it removes all of the excessive buildup or the excessive product that we have accumulated on our hair. And also it removes excessive oil, because a lot of times if you have a ton of oil in your hair, it could cause different issues with your scalp. So that's step number one. After I shampoo my hair with the clarifying shampoo, the next step for me is to add moisture back in. So I'll shampoo it with the moisturizing shampoo. And then once I shampoo it with the moisturizing shampoo, it makes it a little more softer. It makes it a little bit more manageable for me. And so the third step for me is going to be a treatment. And if it's not a treatment, sometimes I'll do a deep conditioner. A deep conditioner can be a treatment as well. Sometimes people like hot oil. Sometimes people like to mix up different things, different natural products. They like to add it to their hair. Now, they might let it sit anywhere between, I want to say 10 to maybe 20 minutes, and then they'll rinse it out thoroughly. But that's one of the steps. And then, after I get to the end of doing my treatments, a lot of times I'll do a blowout. And then after I do a blowout, if I decide not to wear my hair curly, I will go ahead and blow it out. And then I'll make sure that I get my trims. So, ladies, the reason that I'm mentioning these steps is because a lot of times people do not keep up with their treatments and their trims. And so what happens is, under all of these different protective styles that us wonderful women love to wear, it's like once we take those beautiful styles down, we don't have any healthy hair underneath, and then it's something to where we become extremely dependent upon those extensions, those you know, just not only extensions, but sometimes those micro links. A lot of those things, people become very dependent upon them. So the goal is to keep your natural hair as healthy as possible. Another tip that I'm gonna give you guys is plan ahead when it comes to hair care and travel journeys. And what I mean by that is, a lot of times people, they go and they purchase all of these crazy expensive products, and what happens, you go and you put them in your luggage or on the inside of your suitcase, and they confiscate them at the airport. So one thing I suggest is buy the small travel size containers at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Family Dollar, Dollar General, something like that. Buy an empty container and then take your products out of the bigger container and transfer, you know, a small amount into the smaller container, excuse me, and that will make it a travel size. And what happens is, because you have a travel size amount of product, then you're able to maintain your hair, you know, a lot easier as you vacation or as you go, you know, to and from your destinations. And so another thing that I always suggest is pick a hairstyle according to what you plan on doing while you're traveling. For example, if you are going, if you have, what do I say, curly hair, you know, or hair that, you know, once it gets wet, once it's, it'll curl back up or revert back to its natural state, you want to make sure that you have products available that will help you to maintain that hairstyle. And what I mean by that is if you go and you get your hair, you know, blown out and you want to wear it straight, then that's fine. But if you go on vacation and they have a lot of humidity, like in Florida or these southern states or whatever, if they have a lot of humidity, then it's going to be really, really hard for you to keep your hair straight unless it's relaxed. Unless you've had a relaxer, you know, added to it. And a lot of you ladies are natural hair enthusiasts, so you like to keep your natural hair texture intact, but you like to wear it straight as well. So my, like I said, tip would be, make sure you plan ahead. If you're going to go, you know, to somewhere and you think it might be a pool, or you might want to get into water, or you might want to go hiking, or do anything that will cause moisture to be added to your hair, then you might want to plan ahead and make sure that you have the proper styling equipment as well as the proper styling components to be able to maintain their hairstyle. I've noticed how a lot of ladies, they'll go and they'll say, well, I'm just going to get, you know, especially African-American ladies, they'll say, well, you know, I'm just going to get braids, so if the hair gets wet, I don't have to worry about having an extremely, I don't want to say difficult, but an extremely, a hairstyle that's, you know, the upkeep to it is a lot. So they'll go and get braids as a protective style. Another thing too that ladies do, a lot of times ladies will wear hair extensions, and what they will do is they'll braid it underneath to protect it, and then they'll add the hair extensions to the front. So that's always an option as well. But you just want to make sure that you plan ahead, because if you plan ahead, regardless of what happens on your vacation, you'll always, you know, look and feel extremely, extremely beautiful. And so that's the goal, because you want to travel, you want to look and feel and be beautiful, you know, as you go out to enjoy yourself, and you want to always make sure you're presentable. So yeah, just plan ahead. Another thing when it comes to your hair, a lot of times people, I don't want to say, you know, when we go on vacation, we don't really take care of our hair. So that's why I'm saying plan ahead. Research wherever it is that you're going. Also, another thing is, a lot of times we tend to stay on resorts. You know, that's one of my favorite places to go, which is a resort. When we stay on the resorts, a lot of times those, how do I say, the people who give services like manicures and pedicures and the hair salon specialists or whomever it may be, a lot of times they are not going to be able to do it exactly the way that you prefer at home with your, you know, your favorite beautician. So I suggest that you get all of those things done before you go out of town, so you will not have to worry about seeking out those types of services and possibly being disappointed. And yeah, those are just a few hair care tips. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any more questions or any more things that you guys want to discuss, make sure that you drop it in the comments below or either inbox me. You know, a lot of times, like I said, you guys reach out to me on different social media platforms and you say, hey, well, let's talk about this. Let's talk about what type of hair, you know, extensions that you sell. Anything that you see me wear within my videos can be purchased at passportmodel.com. Right now we're working on developing new products, so I'm really excited about it. So when I get them and I'm ready for them to launch, I will make sure that I not only mention it within my video, but I'll put the link below. But until then, once again, check us out at passportmodel.com. We're also on Instagram, we're also on Facebook, and we're also on Snapchat. So make sure you follow us. And you know, we love to interact, we love to engage with anyone who follows. We love, you know, all of your questions. We love to find the answers to whatever it is that you want to ask. So thank you for watching Passport Model TV. Like this video, share it, and subscribe. And I look forward to catching up with you guys later. Take care and be blessed.